We had 8 buyers circling one listing for weeks, and we still only got one offer below asking price. I'm going to tell you what happened and what it means if you're thinking about selling your house this year in Tacoma. This spring just feels like a different market than last year. Sure, it's busy, but not everything is flying off the shelf in a bidding war. We're seeing some listings sit, linger, even languish, and even homes that you might think would be in a bidding war normally. And that gap between homes that sell fast and homes that sit relates to this story, I think. We thought this house was the bidding war type of home. We couldn't have been more excited to hit the market with it. The house had great bones, stellar location, strong fundamentals, a lot of selling features that buyers pay dearly for. I'll withhold some specifics just to keep the subject property anonymous. There were a few things that could have been improved with the house easily. An old garage door with flaking paint. It was the first thing that you saw when you pulled up to the house and really dominated the curb appeal. The carpet needed replacing. The furniture was older. The seller didn't feel like investing in staging and improvements. Didn't think that was a practical thing to do. And look, I get it. Who wants to put in brand new carpet only to watch the buyer rip that brand new carpet right out after closing? That's a real thing. It's happened. And it's a huge waste. No one wants that. This would have been an ideal use case for the old Windermere Ready program, basically a home equity line of credit where you borrow to fix up the house, the prep costs, pay it back at closing. The only thing better than spending $1 to get $1.50 back is to spend other people's money to get that same return. Great ROI. But the seller wanted to leave all of that for the buyer to handle. So we just went to market. Decent reception, but the offer review date came and went. 8 buyers, like I said, were circling. They had genuine interest, coming back for second showings, asking lots of good questions. And this went on for weeks until we finally did get the one offer below asking price. But it was a workable offer. Would we have had a bidding war with new carpet, a brand new garage door or a painted garage door, and some staging in the house? We can't prove that, but yeah, we think so because we've seen that exact thing play out way too many times to doubt it. Buyers aren't just buying a house, they're buying that vibe, the feeling they get when they walk in. And that first impression, when that's not there, they hesitate, and that hesitation can sometimes kill your sales momentum. The best strategy in this kind of market and in most markets is to do the work up front. Get your house ready for prime time before it hits the market. If you want to talk through what that looks like specifically for your home, what's worth doing, what isn't, please reach out. This is a conversation that we have lots of times with sellers, and our advice is based on experience working both with sellers and also buyers and what they like.